Primary 4 with you is Miss Noura Abdirrahman, and today we are going to start lesson number 3 on concept number 3. Are you ready to start? Let's go! Okay, on this lesson we are going to talk what is the factors which affect on the speed. How can we increase the speed? Number 1, the mass. The first factor increase the speed is the mass. Okay, if I have two balls, one has a big mass and one have a small mass. The big mass is heavy. Okay, so which one can fall faster? Excellent, the heavy one, or which has the big mass. So the biggest mass has fastest speed. The biggest mass has fastest speed. Again, the biggest mass has fastest speed, and the small mass has slowest speed. The smallest mass has the slowest speed. So the big mass has fastest speed. Excellent. And the small mass has slowest speed. Excellent. Okay, so when I increase the mass, the speed will increase. Excellent. When I increase the mass, the speed will increase. Number 2, the high. When I increase the high, what happened to the speed? Will increase. If there is two objects, one on 10 meter high and the other on 5 meter high, which one can fall faster, or which one will be faster? The high one, 10 meter high one. So when I increase the high, the speed will increase. By increasing the high, the speed will increase. Excellent. Okay, number 3, the surface. We have two types of surfaces, smooth and rough. Smooth and rough. Do you remember what is the smooth? Smooth means soft, like that, and this is the rough. Okay, which one can move faster? The object moving on a smooth surface or on rough surface? On a smooth surface. Excellent. So the speed depends on 3 factors: mass, high, surface. Mass, high, surface. By increasing the mass, the speed will increase. By increasing the high, the speed will increase. And when the surface becomes smooth, the speed will increase. And when the surface is rough, the speed will decrease. Excellent. Now let's start concept number 4. Do you remember how can we measure the speed? The speed equal distance divided time. The speed equal distance divided time. Okay. Question number 1. If we have two cars, yellow car and the green car. If the yellow car moved 10 kilometers in 5 hours and the green car moved 20 kilometers in 5 hours. So what is the speed of the two cars? At first, the speed equal distance divided time. Okay, let's start with the speed of yellow car. The yellow car move how many distance? 10 kilometers. Divided the time. How many time? 5 hours. So 10 divided 5 equal 2. Just 2? No, what is the unit? Kilometer per hour. So the yellow car speed equal 2 kilometers per hour. Okay, what about the green car? The green car speed equal, what is the distance? 20 kilometers. And what is the hour? 5 hours. So 20 divided 5 equal 4 kilometers per hour. So the yellow car speed is 2 kilometers per hour and green car speed is 4 kilometers per hour. So which one is faster? The green car. Excellent. Okay, number 2. If Amir rides his bike 10 kilometers in 1 hour, how fast is he going? Okay, again, the speed equal distance divided time. The distance is 10 kilometers and the time is 1 hour. So 10 divided 1 equal 10 kilometers per hour. Excellent, because in the question there is kilometer and hour, so the unit will be kilometer per hour. Okay, number 2. Noor rides her bike 20 kilometers in 2 hours. How fast is she going? The speed equal again distance divided time. The distance equal 20 kilometers. The time equal 2 hours. So 20 divided 2 equal 10 kilometers per hour. Excellent, super. Now let's go to question number 3. If Omar rides his bike 15 kilometers in 3 hours, how fast is he going? The speed equal distance divided time. The distance equal 15 kilometers and the time equal 3 hours. So 15 divided 3 equal 5 kilometers per hour. Why kilometer per hour? Because in the question we have kilometer and hour. Okay, number 4. Rana rides her bike 30 kilometers in 2 hours. How fast is she going? Again, the speed equal distance divided time. So what is the distance? 30 kilometers. And what's the time? 2 hours. So 30 divided 2 equal 15 kilometers per hour. The next question is, we have Adil and Nada. Adil runs 18 meters in 6 seconds and Nada runs 10 meters in 5 seconds. So what is the speed of Adil and what is the speed of Nada? The speed equal distance divided time. So Adil's speed, what is the distance of Adil? 18 meters divided the time. What is the time? 6 seconds. So 18 divided 6 equal 3 meters per second. Why we write meter per second? Because in the question the units is meter and second. Okay, let's go to the Nada. Nada speed equal distance divided time. The distance Nada runs is 10 meters and the time is 5 seconds. So 10 divided 5 equal 2 meters per second. So who is faster, Adil or Nada? Who is faster, Adil or Nada? Adil is faster. Okay. What happened to the speed? What happened to the kinetic energy if we increase the speed? When we increase the speed, the kinetic energy will increase. Excellent. So, do you remember? The kinetic energy increases by speed. Excellent. Okay. What happened if the angle of incline increase? The speed will increase or decrease. What is the meaning of angle of incline? Angle of incline. What's the meaning of angle of incline? Look to this line. This is a straight line. This is straight. And look to this. This is called incline. This is called incline. This is incline. And also this line, number 3, also this line is incline. Which one has more angle of incline? This one. Excellent. So when I increase the angle of incline, what will happen to the speed? If you are moving on incline, your speed will increase. And when you increase the angle of incline, your speed will increase. Excellent. And when the speed increase, what happened to the kinetic energy? Also will increase. So the angle when the angle of incline increase, the speed and kinetic energy will increase. So the speed is also increasing by angle of incline. The speed increase by angle of incline. The speed increase by angle of incline. Okay. Now let's go to lesson number 5. If you want an object to move faster, what should you do to the kinetic energy? You should increase your kinetic energy. Excellent. And if you want an object to move slower, what should you do to the kinetic energy? Decrease the kinetic energy. Excellent. So faster by increasing kinetic energy and slower by decreasing or reducing the kinetic energy. Okay. When there is more energy applied to the object, what happened to the speed? Will increase. If you make more energy, the speed will increase. And when the speed increases, the kinetic energy will increase. Okay. Now, let's imagine together that we are driving a car. One time we want to go fast and one time we want to go slow. Okay, if we want to go fast, what should we do at first? If you watch your dad is driving a car, so at first he will press the gas pedal. What is the gas pedal here? The gas pedal. This is the gas pedal. Did you see your dad pressing on gas pedal? Yes. So he presses the gas pedal. Why? When he presses the gas pedal, the gasoline in the car will move to the engine. The gasoline move to the engine. So when pressing the gas pedal, he sends the more gasoline to the engine, and the engine is burning the gasoline, right? So, and change it from which energy into which energy? From chemical to kinetic. Excellent. So when we press the gas pedal, more gasoline go to the engine. So more chemical energy change into more kinetic energy. And when the kinetic energy increase, what happened to the speed? The speed will increase. So now you become fast. So if you want to become fast, you should press gas pedal. If you want to be fast, you should press gas pedal. And pressing the gas pedal leads to send more gasoline to the engine and convert or change more chemical energy into more kinetic energy, so the speed will increase. Okay, now let's think together. If the driver wants to go slower, what should we do? He will take his foot from the gas pedal. Excellent. When we take our foot from the gas pedal, we send less gasoline to the engine. Less gasoline go to the engine. So less chemical energy change into less kinetic energy. So when the kinetic energy decrease, what happened to the speed? Also the speed will decrease. So you will slow down. So again, if you want to slow down, you will take your foot from gas pedal. Why? To send less gasoline to the engine. So less chemical energy change into less kinetic energy. So the speed will decrease. With you was Miss Noura Abdurrahman. And okay, thank you for listening.